Hey guys, it's Kat, your favorite. Anyway, who's trying to lose some weight for summer? I know I am, but guess what? I already have, thanks to Dr. J. Herbert's Wormhole Tapeworm Kit. Hear me out. Okay, you can eat whatever you want. Look, it even says it on the box. Whatever you want and still lose weight. All you have to do, check it. All you have to do is ingest the patented tapeworm wormhole. Ready for this one? So, you just get the starter kit. You ingest one of these guys. A little crunchy. But once you get it down, it's perfect. I lost 6 pounds in the last 2 hours. Guess what I had for breakfast? A whole cheesecake. Let me read you the back, because I have to. Side effects may include nausea, weakness, diarrhea, abdominal pain, hunger, loss of appetite, fatigue, lots of energy, vitamin and mineral deficiencies, vomiting profusely, bloody stool, liquefied organs, and death. But you'll die skinny. Oh, God. Okay. One of those side effects is coming up. So, anyway. Okay. Just get in contact with me. I can hook you up with the first one. The first one's on me. No problem. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Gotta cut that out.